How'd you get in focus?
Huh?
How'd you get in focus?
We'll find a camera.
Look at that shit.
It's illegal, dude. If it wasn't illegal, then they would have fucking hit it.
Look at this shit. Military fucking trucks.
Oh, girl, black butterfly.
Let's go. Come on, we got.
Nigga, I need a pig.
Okay, get the pick then. Get.
Dude. There's pick on me on it.
No.
Yeah.
I ain't getting on. You ain't getting on top of this bitch.
Go back.
Here, give me the picture.
I'm scared this shit's gonna fall.
Go.
I'm holding this case and nigga comes up behind me trying to fucking touch me with his stick.
Go ahead, go.
Hold up, wait.
Go before I leave.
Hold up, wait.
Shit, there's a train. There's a train. I hear the train. Go.
They're down that way.
Go ahead. Real quick, go. Wesley's dumbass.
It was a butterfly.
Go.
Woo! Get it.
Yes, I got it.
Take one with my iPhone. Hold that one too.
Oh my God! Stop! Stop!
Hurry up,
Stop,
hurry up, hurry up. Hold up.
Let's go before someone
Hurry
actually
up.
comes. I got it. Let's go.
Hey, give him more. I don't want.
Go. Come on, go. Fuck this shit, I'm out. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Shit. First vlog, huh? What the fuck? Come on! What the hell? Now you gotta send me pictures.
That's what that look like. Oh, that was fucking drippy. Can we go to your house? I need this church.
Yeah, let's go, let's go.
That was my fucking trusty screwdriver. Someone sneaks up behind me, I'll fucking sink them.
Come on. Holy shit, that was scaring the shit out of me.
That was funny shit. You wanna bring Gavin up here and we can do it?
No.
Dude, my phone needs to get 20%.
Why?
Think I'll be allowed in?
I can bring your phone in for a minute.
For a few minutes to charge?
Yeah.
You
Okay.
still wanna come back?
Yeah.
I mean, you can get more?
Oh my God, guys, that was so fucking amazing. Hey, there's Wesley Dunford.
Fucking drippy.
This is it.
You don't know what
Go
drippy
follow-
means because you ain't that.
Drippy Sean. Come on.
Dude, I'm gonna even walk it.
I ain't know, because that shit could have been legal. See, guys, this is fucking military shits.
Hold on, where's the window?
You wanna take the bikes a bit soon? Holy shit. That was a military base.
Cool. I got some nice fucking shots. Next up is that bitch.
We gonna go in that bitch?
I'm just scared it's gonna fucking collapse. Our train's gonna connect them will fly around. Oh my. Wait, what's the sign say?
Shit, someone.
Oh, what?
Selena, come here.
There's your dick on it. Haha, classic.
Shit, someone came. They must have called someone.
They ain't called shit. I'll fucking stick fucking Hunter's nuts up his ass.
Holy
Yeah,
shit.
that was fucking fun. Like,
We fucking ran.
Four American Monolith. Ain't that, look, tell me that don't look like it. 1, 2, 3, 4 just about. That was, how many did you get?
I didn't get shit. I got 2 on your phone and then I got like 3 on the other.
That was fucking cool. Oh yeah, look at that. You got the tank out of balance, dog. Wait, is there more? No?
Really, Paul?
16-year-old and a 15-year-old discovered a fucking U.S. tank in the area. How
Exactly.
dope.
That shit was fucking hype.
Dude. You sure you're coming back even if it rains? We can get some pics?
Fuck yeah, let's go.
I mean, it would be dope as
Shit. We can take come back for the
fucking like this. I need a minute. Hold on, I need a minute. Out the road. Out the road. No, out the road.
Cause, hey, you wanna go to the store real quick?
But we can't let my mom know.
That we. Okay.
Because she's gonna fucking know, and then
Okay.
I ain't gonna be allowed to fucking.
Okay, I'm not gonna tell. Shit.
Dude, there's another.
Where?
Right there, look, come here. See that thing?
Fucking U.S. tanks. I'm telling you, that's okay. What? This is. Go follow his channel. It's Katrina Dunford. It's Katrina
Dude, I wonder if
Dunford.
there's a couple more going back.
And I'll leave his
Dude, look
channel
how obvious
linked.
that is.
I'll leave his channel linked.
You can't mention this to no one.
Okay.
Only show your dad.
I'll show it to my
I think
subscribers.
your dog don't like me no more. Fucking stick my ass at that car. You want my screwdriver? Hold up. My screwdriver, go back and find it.
No.
I got my screwdriver.
Let's go. We'll go back. We'll go back. We're gonna go back soon.
Yeah, but we'll be back there. I'm gonna get my screwdriver. Go back and get my screwdriver.
No.
It's a U.S. screwdriver, bitch. Bitch, you wanna fuck your ass?
But okay, but look,
You're too bitchy to.
I ain't
You
going
are
in
a
there.
bitch. You're not even trying to go near there.
Hey, look, I went near it.
Yeah, once I fucking went straight up to it. No freaking drug holes.
Okay, but I'm vlogging.
Dude, nothing can get you right there. And nothing. No one can touch you. They touch you, fucking shit. I'm on my 6.5-inch screwdriver. The size of this stick.
Has a what?
Just fucking whip the screwdriver as a dick. Get your... I'm gonna turn this off until we get to your house.
This is gonna be the end of this vlog.